Good morning, students. Today we'll start the session by recapitulating what we have discussed in the previous classes. In the previous classes, we discussed what is life, what are living organisms, and we discussed few characteristics of living organisms, which included definite shape and size, organization, growth and development, and reproduction. So in this session, we'll continue with the characteristics of living organisms. We'll discuss the rest of the characteristics. The fifth characteristic of living organisms is metabolism. Metabolism is a series of chemical reactions taking place inside a living body. My dear children, there are many chemical reactions that take place inside the living body. Like for example, glucose is broken down in the presence of oxygen to release energy. These chemical reactions are necessary to continue life on the earth. Because of these chemical reaction, many life processes occur like respiration, nutrition, excretion, etc. etc. These life processes are able to conduct, and because of this life processes, life is available on the earth. And what are these chemical reactions? These chemical reactions are called as metabolisms. So metabolism is a series of chemical reactions taking place inside a living body. Now let us discuss the types of metabolism. There are two types of metabolism. The first one is called as anabolism and the second one is called as catabolism. Before moving into details, what is anabolism and what is catabolism, let us discuss two chemical reactions. There are two chemical reactions you are able to see in this slide. The first chemical reaction in which carbon dioxide and oxygen, they are combining to produce a complex molecule that is called as glucose. This carbon dioxide and oxygen, these are simple molecules and they are combining to form complex molecules. And in the second chemical reaction, you are seeing that a complex molecule glucose is broken down into carbon dioxide and water in the presence of oxygen. So two chemical reaction. The first chemical reaction is a building up reaction in which two simple molecules combine to synthesize a complex molecule. And in the second chemical reaction, the complex molecule is broken down into two simpler substances. So the second one is a breaking up reaction and the first one is the building up reaction. So my dear students, so from here we will conclude that anabolism is a building up reaction, means it is a reaction in which simple molecules will combine to form a complex molecules, whereas catabolism is a breaking up reactions or breaking up metabolism in which complex molecule will be broken down into simple molecules. So now let us discuss anabolism in details. Anabolism is the biochemical reactions concerned with the building up or synthesis of complex substances from simple ones, which we discussed in the previous slide, like carbon dioxide combined with oxygen to produce glucose. So simple molecules combine to produce a complex molecule called as glucose. So during this process, the kinetic energy is converted into potential energy. So my dear students, all of you are aware of what is kinetic energy and what is potential energy. The energy due to movement is called as kinetic energy, and the energy which is stored, that is called as potential energy. Energy which is stored, that is a potential energy. So in this reaction, the kinetic energy due to the movement changes into potential energy, means here the energy will get stored. The glucose is produced and in the glucose the energy will be stored for the future purposes. Is it clear? Now we'll move to anabolism. So anabolism is a biochemical reactions concerned with mainly with the breakdown of organic nutrient molecules into simple substances. For example, as we discussed, the glucose molecules was broken down in the presence of oxygen to release carbon dioxide and water, and a lot of energy was also produced. So during this breakdown, here the potential energy, the energy which was stored in the glucose, will be converted into kinetic energy, energy due to movement. Now this energy will be used for all the vital activities that will take place inside the body. Is it clear? So we discuss about what is catabolism and what is anabolism. So now let us discuss what are major differences between catabolism and anabolism. So the first difference is, all of you are aware that catabolism is a breaking up metabolism, whereas anabolism is building up metabolism. Means in catabolism the complex molecule will be broken down into simpler one, and in anabolism the simple molecules will get synthesized to produce a complex molecule. The second difference is, again you are aware, in catabolism the potential energy is converted into kinetic energy, whereas in anabolism kinetic energy is converted into potential energy. The third difference is that catabolism is concerned with the release of energy for the vital activities. Yes, now we discussed that during catabolism a large amount of energy is produced, and that energy is used for the vital activities. Now in anabolism is concerned with the biosynthesis. Assimilation means to synthesize and produce a complex molecules for the storage and the growth. Is it clear? So this is the difference between catabolism and anabolism. So now we'll move to the next characteristic of living organism, that is homeostasis. Homeostasis is the tendency to resist change in order to maintain a stable, relatively constant internal environment. Now our body, every living organism maintain a constant internal environment. That environment is not change. Our body resists. If some changes is happening, our body will resist, will prevent to change the internal body conditions, and this is known as homeostasis. This is known as homeostasis. So my dear students, in this session we discuss about two important characteristics of living organism. The one was metabolism and the other one was homeostasis. So what is metabolism? Metabolism is nothing. It is series of chemical reactions taking place inside the body. There are two types of metabolism. One is anabolism and the other one is catabolism. Anabolism is the building up metabolism, whereas catabolism is the breaking up metabolism. Then we discuss about homeostasis. Homeostasis is a condition in which body tries to maintain a constant internal environment. Is it clear? So my dear students, we have completed today's session. We'll continue rest of the characteristic in the next session. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.